Good morning, everyone. My name is Alex, and welcome back to Construction Sim. And today we're going to do a little bit of work, if I can remember which buttons do which. So, looking for a job, a contract. Probably going to do this one as we get to do excavation work and we do some transport stuff. And there's a lot going on. So let's we're going to go ahead and select this job by accepting a contract. Alright, and now we get to rent a construction machine. Ooh, I've never driven a lever before. Flat track, because we don't need, like, that's like a D8, D6, something like that. Let's go ahead and run over there, and I guess we're gonna get that. Thanks for your help. Yay. Please open the gate, thanks. I like the little thing, the little line. It helps me out because I don't know where anything is in this map. Now, I have had to turn down some of the graphics settings. My computer just can't handle this game. It's very pretty, but very heavy. So it be what it be. So we're going to pick up. I think the Lieber is going to be us for today. I think that's a good idea. Oh wow, there are a lot of machines, so we just need a bulldozer. That's all we need. So we're going to switch to machine class. I can get like a pickup. Look at that. A coupe. Oh, we can be fast. Dumpers, tractors, cargo trailers, dozers. All right, what do we got for dozers? Well, we only have 3. Is this what we want? I think this is what we want. So we can rent this guy. Let's go look at it in the showroom. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Okay, I'm going to have to learn here real quick. To do this, normally you would have... okay, let me explain how bulldozers work. So, in the ones that I've driven, on your left hand, you have a gear selector. Not really like a gear selector, but a travel control, let's just say. And then you have 2 finger switches for your track control. So right now I'm hitting right track and then left track, which makes sense, but they're not on my left hand. To make this work the way I think it would work is I would use my thumb to move forward the gearbox, the selector. Let's see what this looks like on the inside, shall we? Yeah, see how he's twisting his hand for left and right? What is this hand doing? Nothing. Okay. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of tutorial here. Look at that, we're flattening ground out now. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. There's so many controls. Like, if you guys pick up this game, there are just so many controls to get on. And I think that's really, really cool. But at the same time, it can be a little bit frustrating. But man, the dirt physics in this are amazing. So I can't really complain any about any of that. I am having trouble here going. I'm too used to farm sim. I have to remember which keys do what. Oh, I keep trying to turn. A trench must be done. You can also rent a suitable excavator. I might just use the backhoe loader. Let's do that. So let's pull this guy over this way. Oh yes, tracks on concrete. I'm sure it sounds amazing. Now I'm gonna be honest with you guys. You're gonna have to struggle with me here because I'm not good with excavators, especially in video games. Okay, so Alex is gonna try to keep this as simple as it can. So we're gonna turn this into this mode, and I think that does that. Yeah, there we go. If if I can remember which way the controls go. Oh, digging outside of my lines here, guys. Not too good there. I keep drifting. Come on, just no, do the thing. I can't. If you guys see me struggling right now, you'd be laughing so bad. Oh no, not that, no, this, no, this, other way, Alex. Why is this? Down, why, okay. Oh my God, the struggle is real. Maybe if I do it from inside. No, I literally can't see what I'm doing. Oh, okay, it needs to be like way lower. Stop turning. No, do. I can't do this. Do what I want you to do. Oh my God, it's so hard. Wait, how bad is it with this? Oh my God, I can't use mouse controls. Oh no, this may have been a mistake. So if I just slow down, let's get Alex to slow down here. Alright, it's just like riding a bike. You just gotta memorize the controls and how everything works together here. So we're getting a little bit better. Oh man, it's still gotta go lower. So this is like really accurate to how it feels in real life to use one once you start to understand like what your controls are doing. Because let's face it, I am not doing the best job. I'm not getting full scoops or anything, but we are digging holes. And I think my biggest problem is it wants to go, like when I go down, it wants to turn. And, you know, that's kind of on me, but I'm an idiot, what can I say? So what I'm going to do is we're going to move this feller out of the way. And Alex is going to go get an actual excavator. And we're going to do this a little bit quicker because that took far too long. Like it feels so good though. Like whenever you're doing it and you're able to like get into a flow, it feels amazing. Like it's really, really good. So yeah, let's go get a bigger toy. So I don't think we need like a huge one. We definitely don't need like a 956. Let's rent this little fella, and we'll use him. Oh yeah, it's way bigger bucket than what we currently have. This will probably be like one of my very first purchases. Is an excavator. I'm sorry, I'm still learning the controls, guys. Oh wow, that's just a lot more scoopage. It's so easy to overdo things, but it's wild. Like, it feels so good to just dig. And I know I'm doing a horrible job. Please don't at me, bro. But for just being out here, you're like, hey, let's dig a hole. All right, we're getting better. We've got 48% of it done. I need to go a little bit on this side. I definitely won't be hired off of this video, I can tell you that. Here, we're already at 72%. I am getting better. Just remember, guys, this is Bricks Plays, not Bricks Plays Well, the channel. I never said I was good. I just said I could do it. Hey, finally got it. Just as night fell, that took all day. So let's clear the construction site and see what we got to do next. Oh, we got money for that. We got like 20 grand for doing that. Okay. So we need to get into the truck, and then we're getting materials, okay? So we need a cable drum and some PVC pipes. So we can go ahead and get these. And we check out. Deliver to yard. And can we do auto loading? Yes. Because I don't feel like loading. And I hope it put it in my truck. And it does look like it did. Yay. I don't know if you guys heard or not, but I really don't like this crane. Oh, now we got to place them, huh? So get this. Try to at least get it in the right place. Now we have to unpack construction materials. So I look at that and then... Okay. I just did like a little disco dance and then it was okay. So let's hop back in our little feller here. By little, I mean way too big of a dozer for this job. Yeah, get in there. Go on now. Get, as they say. Okay, so we just drive out of here. Let's get this guy out of here. No, you have enough mail available to complete upgrade goals. No, we're not going to do that just yet. So we're going to leave that there like a bunch of chunguses. Now this is autocomplete or what? Oh, hello. Yeah, sure, I'll go talk to you. I want to see us. Whoa. Okay, so it just changed up. So does this mean that we can build something else here? Good job, Hydra. Yeah, the excavator would be a wonderful piece of equipment. Too bad we don't have the money for it. Right. How do I pass time quickly? So to do what we need to do to unlock the rest and get into like the big jobs, we need to own 3 construction machines and the second company premise to get into that, which shouldn't be too awful bad. Let's go and do some upgrade goals. All right, let me try to find out how to pass into the next day, and then we'll do another job. So I did learn how to skip time. You press X, and then you click the little coffee cup, and then you can change it to whatever time of day you want. So we need to rent a machine, and this is not going to be one that we're going to buy. And I want to go to the machine class, and we're looking for a paver, which should be around here somewhere. Asphalt paver. There we go. So I'm probably going to go with... I guess we'll go with this one, the Bow Mag. So let's go ahead and rent this guy. Yeah. And then we're also going to need to rent a truck that has the ability to do asphalt. And I guess I kind of want a Kenworth for that, because I am normally the Kenworth guy. Where... So we got asphalt dumper, cat dump truck, asphalt dumper. Oh, okay, so we don't have a Kenworth asphalt dumper. Well, that's nice, unless I'm overlooking it. Doesn't look like that I am. If I am, you guys are going to have to let me know. So we're going to go with the Mac. So we're just going to rent this guy. Yes. So Hape is telling us that we're not going to get far without asphalt, but every time I've been around like one of these things, you gotta have you gotta have it opened up, and hopefully, I mean, yeah, it opens in the front. Yeah, so we're gonna get it turned around here, and we're gonna get it emptied out and then set, because the back should expand, is what I'm hoping. So let's go ahead and do this and extend. Yeah, buddy, look at that. That looks way better. And I could just fill up here, but I don't want to. So the asphalt thing is good to go. We just need to get this filled up. And what I want to do by the end of this video is I'd like to have, it's like 450 grand is kind of what we need. And the main reason for doing that is I'd like to get into the new contract. So we need I need a new machine, and I really think a small excavator. Maybe not a tracked one. Maybe we should get a wheeled one. I don't know that we're going to need a super duper big one, but an excavator is always nice to have. And we could get that, or we could get a bulldozer. I don't know yet. We'll have to figure it out. Either way, we're gonna need that plus the property. Okay, so we got to use R to start dumping here. Let's try that. Oh, there it goes. Okay, I want to see this. Oh, that's kind of cool. And we're just gonna be just good little workers here. So we got it spread. Okay, so we steer like that. It's filled. All right, yeah, we should be good. So I just need to asphalting on and off. Is this on? Why are you... There we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's super duper satisfying. Like, that is super satisfying. I'm not going to say I did an awesome job, but that is better than what Lightning McQueen did. I know that much. We're doing better than the fictional cars, guys. This thing moves so much faster backwards. Oh, I missed a little bit of the back, and that's gonna kind of make me upset. Come on, go this way. Make it good. I'm missing parts. Oh no. I'm terrible at the game. I don't think it's gonna matter. Oh, okay. So let's retract the thing. Well, it didn't tell me any of the compactor. Alright. So I just rented the little ham. And we're going to give this thing a go. So let's go ahead and turn back on compacting. And we are compacting the compact. How does this look? That looks really, really cool. This is satisfying. I didn't think it would be this fun. Because that is just... It's almost like Pressure Washer Simulator, if you guys have ever seen that game, where it's boring, mundane stuff, but my God, is it satisfying. Just look at it go. It's so cool. It almost makes me want to do physical labor. And we all know that I'm not a fan of that. Oh wait, it only works off the front roller? What? Are they both on? Now it should be working, right? Yeah, it didn't do the back. And then it does. Okie dokie, I'm making a mess now. It's absolutely vibrating my hands to death, though. it's so funny feeling. Oh, I'm missing spots. No, the satisfaction is going away. I don't even know how to explain how fun that feels. So we can turn this thing from vibrating my hands off. And we're not going to need any of these vehicles, so we can go ahead and send them back. Hello there, sir. Nice. Yeah, the asphalt compactor would be good. Yeah, we're not worried about that right now. So I think we have one more job to do, huh? Yes, so we have to build this thing. So we're going to go ahead and accept the contract. And we're going to need a truck and trailer. Don't need a big one, just whatever. We're going to need a fast erecting crane, concrete truck, concrete pump. All right, so we have some things to get real quick. All right, we got all kinds of new stuff here. So we got the Kenworth. And with the Kenworth, we need the trailer, which should be here somewhere. I don't know where they got the noises for this game, but this truck sounds horrible. And half the time it sounds like I have a flat. Don't know what to even think about that. I know I've said it before, but it's time for Giants to really up the map size for Farm Sim. This map, I know it's not huge. If I had to guess, it's probably like about the size of a 4X map, maybe a little bit bigger. And the way it's designed, it really feels big. You know, we've got like mountain roads, we've got an interstate, looks like bridges, everything else. Like there's a lot going on here, and it feels real enough that Farm Sim could probably up the engine size. I think going bigger would be okay, because it was 1.2 kilometers here, and a 4X is like, it's not 4 kilometers, it's like 8 by 8 kilometers, I think is what it is. Something like that. It's something weird. And because it's 4 times a standard, no, it's 4X, but it turns out being, how is it? The standard map is 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer, or is it 2 by 2? No, it's 2 by 2, but then the 4X is still 4 by 4 because it's 4 times larger, so it's 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square. It's weird. But yeah, so that's how that works. So I mean, this is taking a while to get over here, and that feels pretty good. I would love to do transporting in Farm Sim. I know that sounds weird, but having area to move around in is a huge thing. The only problem is we would have to find a better way to start doing like generation of maps. So when Farm Sim, like when you make a map in Farm Sim, you know, you have to populate it with things. And where this game is developed off of 2 maps, right? So you have the American one and the German one, I guess, or the Europe one, whatever we want to say. And it's easier to develop just base game maps when it's like, okay, you have a team of people and you just make it, right? You can just go, okay, well, we need to make up this map, and everybody can kind of get on the same page. Where, well, I'm waiting on you. You're just a Prius. Wow, he's thumping. Where a modder doesn't have time. Like, you couldn't ask a modder to make this city. It'd be asking far too much, because there's a lot of stuff going on here. And not only do you have that, you also have to worry about your LODs. So this map has a lot of distance objects and stuff like that to make it run okay. Like, I can tell, like, there's a lot of care put into this. My computer's just junk. But you can definitely tell that there's some good stuff going on that, you know, like this tree coming in and out, it's definitely got an LOD on it. So then you'd have to have models for everything to have an LOD, or you'd have like a lot of pop-in, which is things that people don't want, for good reason. Like, you don't want a lot of pop-in, it looks jank. So yeah, it'd be different. It'd definitely be different. Oh, wait, why did you load everything in the back if you're gonna have me go pick up something else? That's not safe. Now the truck has no traction. Thanks, game. Where it is the crane area. Alright, so we need to rent a crane. Whoa. Alright, well, hopefully it, hopefully it can lift here. We did get crane speed on our skill set here, so interact with the transport frame to release the fabricated walls. So we unlock. I'm going to do a little dance, I guess. And now I place them. Alright. Oh. And now it's Jenga. Oh, I gotta figure out which piece goes where, huh? I guess this piece goes over here. This is our back piece, so that should be pretty easy to get. I'm probably going way too quick with these cranes. Like, it's definitely warbly. Oh, that's easy. Right here, a little doorway. And then one for the front. Just remember, guys, I'm a professional crane operator. It's a skill that I have acquired since playing this game. Now we get to do other fun things here, it looks like. Ooh, them had a little heft to them here. Let's kind of not be a bunch of dinguses and tear anything up here. Oh, so we got to go all the way to the end here. And then this one can go... Is it next or here? Where does it go? Alright. So we've got all that done. And now we got to take down our crane. Wait, no, I need to move this. Why did you give me this? I don't understand, Abe. What'd you do? You gave me an extra bit, and I'm not a fan. I'm not exactly sure why we couldn't pick up the concrete stuff with our other thing, our other truck. There are still occupants in the vehicle. Great. Let's go ahead and I'm just going to fast travel down here because I've done it a couple times now, and we'll get this thing filled up and get it back up to the dam, and then we'll get the pump over there. I think that'll be pretty good. We're almost done, guys. So I could tell you guys a story about concrete pumps and how they go hand in hand with some other things that I've worked on. The big boom truck that we used at Puck that the guys designed, and it was based off of a concrete truck, or a pump truck just like this. The boom was off the back, so like where the turret is up front here, ours was in the back. I need to move this guy, and it was okay, but like really sketchy sometimes. It was a really cool piece of equipment, and it was fun to use, but if the thing was, okay, it doesn't seem like it's a lot, but when you would put out the boom all the way, and I'll show you. So this is probably a 90-foot boom, I'd say, somewhere around there. So a little pipe comes down. Then, yeah, then this comes down. So this thing stretches out forever. And I'll put up I'm going to have to remember to put up a picture. But we stretched ours out all the way like this one time for a photo op. And we were the tallest thing in the county for like an hour. And it was right after the guys had built it. And when you start pumping, the boom gets full, okay? So you've got, like, in this example, we've got all this concrete, right? Well, in our boom truck, you had the boom had a pump on the end of it, so an extra who knows how many thousands of pounds, and then that load got transferred, and then manure on top of that weight was being transferred into it, and it just turned into this big nightmare, really, of a thing. And can I not? How tall is this? Well, I just rammed it, so we're gonna go ahead and start pouring. Hopefully this works. But yeah, you would get it like into resonance, and if it started bouncing, you had to be very cautious of like where you were placing it, and because if you left it suspended, it would get a little, not like overzealous by any means, but come on, game, let's go this way, thank you. You would get it into these moments where you were kind of scared that something would happen because you wouldn't think about it. We had it on a T800 chassis, I do believe. And which way is up? This way is up. Which way is in? This is up. Up, in, up, in, up, in. Okay. Yeah, we're pumping concrete, boys. Don't ask me how. I've broken yet another game. Just get out that way. Thanks. But yeah, you would get it like bouncing, and we had like on a T800 chassis, which was a big, long, extended filler, and it would tip the truck without even trying, if you didn't have it fully supported where it needed to be and stuff. One of my customers, we were having issues with one, and he let me bring it to a pond that he was working at to test, and they really liked it, but there was just so many little finicky issues. I know this is totally wrong, guys. That it while it worked good, it did everything that it was supposed to do, it turned into just a hard to use piece of equipment that a lot of guys were not comfortable with. And we weren't the only ones with that problem. The other, reset components, thanks. There were other companies that were having the same issue. They weren't as vocal about it as what we were, but their booms were having cracking issues and everything else that I'm sure that none of them will speak about, but there were turret issues and everything like that. Ours was heavy enough built to where it didn't break, it just wanted to tip over. And we ended up fixing that problem by making very, very long, extended outriggers. And when that was done, we got 4x4 or 3x3 feet pads to put up under each leg, and that really helped. Oh. Hey, look there. We're done. I like these jobs a lot more than the little UFO thing. That was pretty dumb. I wasn't a fan. So we need to return this guy. And this guy. So we got $354,000. Or, yeah, 56, something like that. Let's get our upgrades for us. We'll get a bonus for every upgrade. And every job, but I don't think about that. I'm leap and climb like a panther. I don't know. That's probably late in the game. Let's go ahead and get bucket. So we get a little bit more capacity in our buckets. Let's go ahead and get that twice. Our company, let's see here. Let's go ahead and get the upgraded for our thing. So we got that. We're good in business, so says the achievement. I know you guys can't see that. And now we need 3 construction machines. So if we go to... So we have $205,000. Let's see what we can buy that's going to be useful. Actually, before I do that, what's our next job? So we can do a contract. Okay, there's all kinds of little contracts that we can do. Like, some of these don't pay very good at all. We can do some transport stuff. We can do some pipes. I can build a house. Topsoil removal. Yeah, we need our excavator for that. Let's go ahead and look at an excavator. Let's see if we can get like a wheeled one or something a little bit different here. So a little wheeled one is 140, and this 195 for the one that we had before. I really like this thing. The Doosan's too much. 140 for another wheeled. And get a compact. I don't see us ever needing the compact. Let's go ahead and get this. And we're going to go ahead and purchase this. Yes. Now I should be able to go back into jobs. Expansion job. Yeah, I want to... Yes. Speak with Hape. So that's what we're going to do on the next one. Is we're going to try to do some building parts. But look at there. Got us an Atlas 340. Now, if it only said 400, then I could be like, they're not taking my 400. If you've ever seen Gold Rush, please, God, that. But yeah, that is where I'm going to leave it at for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this is like a little bit of an odd kind of series. I know it's probably not the best. I'm just trying to think of things to say while we're playing. But I really do think we can make something of this series. So let's continue it out, and we'll pick up the next one. I think we have to build our expansion, but that's a project for another day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.